In this video, I'm going to go through the online ordering app, and this is a sample of what we can set up for your business, whether you're a restaurant, a takeaway, a supermarket, a dairy, or fruit and veggie shop. And as you can see here, this is a home screen that a customer would come across, and obviously everything can be customized to your business with your logo, your colors, your photos, your information. So essentially, shop online straight away shows all the different products that are for sale. The customer can easily filter. So say if they just wanted to look at herbs, they could just select herbs and they would be able to just see herbs, make it easy for them. Once they're here, they can decide to add it to the cart, and they might say, oh, actually, let me have two more. So 3 in total. And then if they wanted delivery, they can go into the view delivery info page and pay for delivery and add delivery to the cart. So there are a few other ways that a customer can use to find what they're looking for easily. It's category. So they click on one category and then you've got the subcategory, and then you can straight away just see anything under the subcategory rather than trying to find everything. The other view is on products they can search for by text. So say if they wanted beans, easy as. They find what they're looking for and then they're good as gold. The customer can also save to their favorites, as you can see here. So this is like a watch list. So later on, let's say if they had a shopping list, they can go through and just keep adding different items to their shopping list, and makes it easier for them to come back later on. Um, all they need to do is just tap that and it gets added through to their favorites. So there are a lot of very convenient ways for the customer. So it really makes it very easy for them. Now, the icing on the cake for the customer is the fact that they do not need to download this app like any other mobile app. They just need to enter the URL, and it would straight away come up on their phone, and it would ask them if they want to save it to their home screen, where it saves directly to their phone. Once saved, they can access it offline. They've got faster access, and it's a very simple process. They can also scan a QR code. So one of the complimentary bonuses temporarily is we will create a design poster design for your shop, which will have a QR code. So essentially, when your customers come on there, you can just say, hey, look, we're also doing click and collect or delivery services. Just scan this, open your camera, scan this, and as soon as they scan it, it opens up the app directly like magic. And that's also viewable on this screen here. This is a QR code. Finally, when the customer is ready to proceed, they've got the shopping cart. You just hit checkout, put their payment details, put their shipping address, and place the order, and the payment comes into your bank account. It's as easy as that. In the next video, I will be also covering the fulfillment app and the backend interface, depending on the plan that you sign up to. And this will essentially show what your team members and the drivers need to do to fulfill orders easily on your side. Thank you, and look forward to any comments or questions. Feel free to email them through, or you can comment below. Cheers.